name's Loz and I run Kids Circus workshops with my husband. We have today been in a primary school, so we've been teaching ages from 4 up to age 11. And we really try and make our workshops really suitable for each different age range. Over the last few days, we've been bringing in lots of different circus props for them to try out. And some of them are really tricky things to try, and some of them are less tricky. So throughout the workshop, they get to try things that they can have little successes as they go along.
I think they are learning resilience. I think the fact that, if it doesn't quite work, it's okay. And actually just to keep trying. Having those little wins. So initially you might struggle with throwing one ball into the other hand, but then it's like, oh, actually, no, I can do two all of a sudden. And I think what was really nice about the opportunity is once you've got one thing, it's like, right, we're going to step it up, we're going to step it up. So it's that constant, you can achieve more. So once you've got that little win, you can go for something else. So it was really satisfying for them to see themselves achieving.
School shows are just so fun because their reactions are so warm and genuine. What I like about performing to kids in general is kids don't pretend. So when you get a reaction from kids, then it's completely real and it's lovely.
If you want to find out more, just have a look at our website. It's kidscircusworkshops.co.uk.